Jam Culture for the latest in Jamaican news and reviews. Click to subscribe.
Yeah, people, so welcome to our next video from Jam Culture upon the beautiful Friday morning. Yeah, open alright, and team I could jump straight into the update. So, TikToker, how now call him artist? Call him an artist again. TikToker Gage come out and make some disparaging remarks about Vybz Kartel. They tell us that Vybz Kartel is relevant and the dog is not a fan of his music. So, we have to really laugh still, but we could jump into a TikToker Gage. Did I say?
Short. Fuck do you, man? A music me say, bro. A music me say, I know individual, sometimes you know them people personally, I hate them. You see me? So a music me say, I mean I tell you, I ready to listen Bumbleclaw, Massacre, Alkaline, Chronic Claw, some squash. And what you tell me say, bro? If you want to feel who want to feel like, who the fuck? Me not listen to Beanie Man now, bro. Me not do that, brother. Not saying if me dey dance and hear me not rock to it, you know. But no, bro. Brother, no talk truth and tap tell blood clot lie, dog. Tap tell lie, brother. We don't know do it. We don't know do it. Check on YouTube search. Check it.
So, yes, man, I'm rather listen to Alkaline, you know what I mean, Massacre and Squash than Vybz Kartel. And him call out Beanie Man as well. But Gage, we go back to take up music and stop run down Taps and Roses because film career basically done. But we go jump into the lead story for the day. So basically, Foot Hype came out recently and did a film live and they talk about, you know what I mean, Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal and Mavado. And they must say literally, you know what I mean, Busy Signal is really Vybz Kartel's real rival, not Mavado. Because I know initially it was, I think there was an issue between Kartel and Busy. But I could jump into it, you know what I mean, Foot officer.
Not Mavado, a Kartel rival, you know. A Busy Signal Kartel have a real problem with you. Long time I tell you that I only just feel like Footer love chatter in no sense, you know. Long time I tell you that, you know. How long me I tell you that? For the whole 13 years Kartel they prison me I tell you that. A Busy Signal make them change the name of over Portmore from Borderline to Gaza. I want to don't hear what me I say. Do how long me I tell you that? How long? But you just feel like say, okay, Footer is Mavado friend and him did not lie and so him just me no come pa here so come tell lie and chat fuckery. Me no need to do that. Me no have to chase clout, you know. I am clout.
Fresh
and me
drop.
are the clout, you know. So me people repost and me people try trace for people look on them.
So in a Footer rant, him say literally, you know what I mean, Vybz Kartel have a real issue with Busy Signal, you know. And something I talk about a Busy make them change some place over Portmore in a Gaza. One bag of mumbo jumbo, I could listen to him say. Continue listening to him say.
Artists, and them a interview new artists, and them a interview artists when me and them are a friend. Them have to deliberately tell them not ask about Footer Hype like how Kartel tell them say, me no want to chat nothing about Footer Hype. So how me fi chase clout? Me can't chase clout. I am the clout. And me a clout. You understand? You don't want to be nobody role model. Me a no role model, me a God model. Me not playing a role. I am who I am. I am the real thing. So me a no role model. You know what role mean? You play a character. Actors have different roles. Me not act. And me this for real. Where you see how you get. And me this. I general this. I straight nation boss this. Me can't change. Me a 1 cent. Me can't change.
Yeah, people, so, you know, my foot I continue to talk one bag of mumbo jumbo. Then he jump into literally himself. You see me I say talk about, you know, you want the clout and
Me a want embarrassment. Oh,
one bag of foolishness as usual. You see me I say, well, that's foot hype still. So, you know what I mean? But I could jump in the last clip of the day still, which is about Shaggy. So Shaggy recently received a plaque from Spotify for achieving 1 billion streams. So I could jump into the great Shaggy officer.
Shaggy surpasses 1 billion
I just
streams
like to
on
say,
Spotify.
thanks to Spotify for recognizing over 1 billion streams over a single "It Wasn't Me" from the Hot Shot album. You know, the crazy thing about this record is, or this record release, that this is 1 billion streams after it already sold millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of hard copies. So to have a record, you know, over 25 years selling millions and millions of hard copies and came.
So yeah, people stop on the correction. So it was a single, it wasn't me. He smashed it in the early 90s, you get me I say, or early 2000s. That Shaggy release. So yeah man, so Shaggy got 1 billion streams. I think that song also sold 6 million copies. I'll have to do some more research, but I think of something like that there. But big up Shaggy still. But that was it from this video, people. Thanks for liking the video, thanks for liking the channel. So that's to recap everything. Gage this cartel semi-relevant. And you know, Foot Hype said business signal is Vybz Kartel's real rival. And finally Shaggy was awarded a plaque for 1 billion streams for his single It Was Me. So yeah people, thanks to everything, and just keep it jamming.